In this video, I'll show you how to make homemade cognac from regular moonshine and an oak plank. I have homemade grape moonshine that was made almost a year ago. It has a good presentation. Its strength is 45 degrees and you can make a good homemade cognac from it. My oak barrel is currently occupied, so I bought a regular oak block measuring 20 by 40 millimeters at the market, and now we will make cognac from it. Oak timber can be purchased at a regular hardware store. It should be dry and free of any signs of rot. We're cutting this oak plank into small pieces using a saw or a jigsaw, making them about 5 to 8 centimeters long and 1 by 1 centimeter in size. The next step of our process, we begin by carefully breaking these larger pieces down into smaller chips. This is done with precision and care, using a variety of tools to ensure accuracy and safety. We typically use a sharp knife or a chisel, which are both excellent for making precise cuts. Additionally, a small hammer is employed to gently tap and break the pieces apart. This methodical approach allows us to control the size and shape of the chips, ensuring they meet our specific requirements. The process requires patience and attention to detail, as each piece must be handled with care to avoid any damage or waste. By taking our time and using the right tools, we can efficiently transform these larger pieces into the smaller chips needed for the next stage of our process. You end up with these small chips. In the next step, you need to take a gas torch or a regular gas stove and toast these chips until they are golden brown. So they smell like vanilla, but definitely not burnt or black. Fondue absolutely loves you. This is exactly what the blackened and charred chips should look like. Then we take regular water and rinse the chips to remove the excess ash that was released during toasting. After that, we take a handful of chips and add them to 3 liters of moonshine. Now we just need to place this bottle in a warm, dark place for about a month. In a month, it will take on a nice brown brandy color. It's worth noting that you shouldn't toast the chips in advance, because during storage they lose their aroma and won't be as effective when infusing the brandy. This brandy has been sitting for a month now. It's infused well and has taken on a nice brown color. Brandy aftertaste. After that, you need to take the chips out of the brandy and store it, because if you leave the chips in the brandy for too long, an unpleasant woody aftertaste might develop.